On screen you see a file structure map. With this map you learn how to organize your folders within Windows or Macintosh. This will help you organize files, but also will reduce a lot of possible problems when using Premiere Pro. Start by creating a main folder. I would recommend to put a date, your name and the project within the title. If you want, you could also use numbers to organize it. Within that folder, create at least 3 subfolders. One called Footage, one called Premiere, and one called Finals. Within the footage map, try creating another submap. One for audio, one for video, and one for graphics or photos. That's it. Let's go on to the next subject.